is officially spring, and you know what that means. Spring cleaning is necessary. My room, my apartment, everything in this home is a mess, and I want to declutter, deep clean, literally everything you could possibly think of. I made a video like this last year, so if you want to go check it out, go ahead. But I want to clean and just like inspire you guys to do the same, because it's so important when spring is around. Like, summer is coming and you just need like clean and good vibes, and having like a mess in your home is not what we're trying to do. Because when you have a clean space, you have a clean mind, and I feel like after winter and when spring arrives, you need a clean mind, a fresh clean mind. And spring cleaning is like the best type of cleaning. Like, yes, we clean like when the beginning of the year starts, like, you know, reset for the new year, but spring cleaning is the next big one. So I'm gonna be deep cleaning, and I'm gonna take you guys along, and hopefully this inspires you guys to do the same, because there's nothing better than having a clean space. Like, I don't understand people that are messy, even though my room is messy right now. Like, if you saw my room right now, like, you would get scared. But we're gonna clean, and the final results are gonna be worth it. So let's get into cleaning. So we have a quick little haul from Publix. So I got some strawberries. I feel like I always include strawberries in my hauls, but they went out really quickly, so we always have them on deck. Same with bananas. I always have to have some bananas on deck. We got these organic Mary crackers, and they're super good to just like have a little snack with. Those are my mom's, but sometimes I eat some as well. And then we also got this little like whole grain crisp bread that's like the same idea for breakfast or just a snack. It's amazing. We got 2 packs of organic avocados. I love this for my morning bagels. So good. And then my mom got a lot of mangoes. I'm not sure why. I don't like mangoes. I think I'm the only person on this planet that dislikes mangoes, but they're just so bad, and I just really don't like them. That's the little haul, and I'm gonna put everything away now. Just took out a bunch of boxes and bags. If you guys don't know, I have a Depop account, which is like an online thrifting. It's like an app, and I sell a lot of things. I sell shoes, clothes, accessories, jewelry, purses, literally anything you could think of I probably have on my Depop. And I have so many things that are brand new, or so many cute trendy pieces that I've been meaning to sell, and for some reason I just don't sell them. I've had things since like quarantine. Like, I started this whole thing in 2020. It's literally been 4 years, and there's so many things that I've just never sold. Like, it's been on my Depop for 4 years, and I just never sell it. And I really want to get rid of things because it's unnecessary, the amount of clutter that I have in my closet of all these things that I'm like waiting to sell, and I just don't sell them. And there's a lot of things that I feel like I could donate And the thing is, like, I've always just held on to it because I'm like, oh, maybe one person will buy this. Like, maybe it's like random and one person randomly buys something, because I've sold a lot of things on my Depop that are super random. Like, I would never expect to sell it, and I literally sold it. So I've just been keeping everything, and I can't deal with it anymore. Like, it's spring and I just want to declutter everything. Like, one day when I move out, or like when I move out of this apartment, like, I'm not gonna bring all these things with me, so might as well just get rid of things. And I'm not saying I'm gonna get rid of a bunch of things, because I have a feeling that I could sell a lot of things. So please, if you like thrifting or even like brand new things, I have things that I literally bought and the next day I was like, oh, I don't want this anymore, and I just was too lazy to go return it in the store, or I lost the receipt. Just so many different like situations, and I have so many brand new things. So please go check my Depop. It's in my description. Or if you have the app, just search up Anna's shop. My @ will be down here. But yeah, I have a lot of things, and I feel like a lot of people could get use of it and stuff. So I want to get rid of as many things that I can. And when I tell you there's a lot, there's a lot. I have a whole box here. This whole box is filled with clothes. As you could see, there's so many like brand new things. Like, I literally have leggings with the tag on them, like workout stuff, like sweaters, pajamas, literally so many things that so many people could get use out of. And I've just been keeping it here, wasting space, and just like this whole situation stresses me out. And then I have 2 more bags filled with things here. I have a bunch of clothes here. I have so many different type of like brands, like Nike, like so many different brands. And I have a bunch of things here, like accessories, purses, anything you could think of. And then this stuff as well. I just have a bunch of things. I need to like organize all of this and go through everything. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through everything, bags, this whole box. And I had a lot more things, but obviously I've like sold some things, and some things I've already gotten rid of. But I'm gonna go through everything and literally like decide, okay, this I have a feeling that I could sell, or this I'm gonna donate because I've had it on my Depop for 4 years and no one has ever liked it. So I'm just gonna donate it. Hopefully I get rid of a lot of things. Like, I'm praying that I decide to get a lot of things out, because my goal is to have only one thing. So like everything in this box, like I want to get rid of these 2 bags and only have the box. Like, I don't want to have 3 things filled with clothes. Like, I can't. My whole goal is to just have one box, because I also feel like I have to go through my actual closet. Like, this is the actual clothes that I wear, and I feel like I have a lot of things here that are on my Depop. I actually have clothes like on my clothing rack that I have on my Depop, and I want to put it in a box. So I have to go through that. I have to go through the box, the bag. There's a lot, and this is super stressful, but I'm just gonna put on some music and hopefully just motivate myself and get things out, because the declutter is necessary, and I cannot have these things for any longer because I'm gonna go insane. I literally can't. So if you want to help me out, check out my Depop, please. But anyways, let's get to organizing and decluttering everything. So I just spread out everything, just the things that were in that box. And as you could see, there's tons of clothes everywhere. I still have to go through that over there. But for the most part, there's a lot of things that I feel like I could sell. So I don't want to get rid of it yet. But literally, this is the only pile that I have that I 100% want to get rid of. Like, these things, I know for a fact I'm never going to sell, because first of all, they don't even have like tags. Like, I ended up cutting them, and people don't want this. Like, people just rather buy this in like an actual store. And look at all the jeans and shorts that I have. Like, this is good quality. Like, I have some Abercrombie and Fitch. I have Hollister. Like, look at these jeans. They just don't fit me anymore. But there's so many jeans and shorts. There's a bunch of workout stuff here, like a bunch of shorts and stuff. I have a bunch of sweaters, like Abercrombie, Nike, Zara. Like, I have so many things. We have a bunch of Brandy as well. If you guys like Brandy, we have some Brandy shorts in black, some Brandy sweaters. We have a bunch of Brandy literally everywhere. There's so much clothes. So just by showing you guys this, if you're interested, don't forget to check my Depop,
There's a lot more in there. I'm going through it little by little, but there's a lot of things that I'm probably gonna keep. I feel like I should keep a lot of these things, and since I'm gonna post this video, hopefully the people that watch this video get inspired and want to check out my Depop. So I'm not gonna get rid of a lot of things, but I'm gonna try to go through everything one more time, see if I could, you know, get rid of some things. And if anything, I'll just wait till the end of this year. Like when 2024 ends and I haven't sold a lot of these things, that's when I'm actually gonna start getting rid of things. I'm still gonna try to get rid of some things, like for example, this is really ugly. Like, I don't know if anyone wants this. I don't know if I should just donate it. Like, I don't know. Do you guys want this? Like, I'm not quite sure. I have a bunch of bikinis that I literally never wear. And that I've worn like once. Like for example, this bikini I've never worn. Like, it's been in here. I literally received it and I never wore it because I didn't return it. So there's just a lot of things. Like, as you can see, it still has like the sticker and everything. Like, there's so many things that I just haven't even like touched. And I have like phone cases, I have jewelry, like I have a lot of things. So yeah, don't forget to check out my Depop.
Just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn up the television now. Set me in the corner now, and Technicolor's your bed. Oh, won't you hear me out? You're painting all my features and everything.
Okay, so I just organized everything and everything just stayed where it was. I kept majority of the things just because I feel like I could sell them. So check my Depop, but I have both of these bags filled with things, and I organized it a little bit so it was more organized, so it doesn't look as cluttered. And then I have this box filled with things, but I am donating these two things. So here I have 2 pairs of shoes, and here I have some clothes that I'm going to donate. For the most part, at least we got 2 bags to give away, and in here I have a bunch of garbage that I need to throw away. So I mean, we got some progress done. I wanted to do more, but a little bit is better than nothing.
Summer rain